Well, good afternoon. It's coming up on 2 p.m. on the afternoon of Wednesday, 8/28/24. Boy, I just got back from going to put a few more guns up on consignment. Let's see. Got 7 out there. Is it 8? Yeah. Kind of torn on that. Hate the idea of selling guns or getting rid of guns. I rather trade them than sell them. And here I am getting rid of my guns so I can go to the Philippines, and I'm selling them off, consigning them. I just left, let's say, a bunch of them down at the gun store. Brought one back. I think I'm gonna definitely leave that one for my nephew to give to his boy, or I don't know. In case I come back, I don't know. Yeah, I don't really want to do it in case I come back, but because I don't really think I'm ever coming back. I'm going to the Philippines, and it's my intent to get over there, grow old, and die in the Philippines. As far as I'm concerned, only reason I won't come back here is because Texas is Texas and not a part of this mess. So, yeah. Just saying, I'm a Texan. It's cooler than what it was last week or this weekend, but it's still warm out there. Got a little overheated. Anyway, yeah. I'm having yeah, when it comes down to my guns and such, you know, it's I really don't like the idea of getting rid of them. That's one of the things I got to do to get to where I can leave here, unless I just want to leave them all with other people. But I don't have that many of them that I find valuable enough to leave with other people. I don't know. A couple of them that I do, I've already kind of farmed out and got to some folks. And a couple of them that I got left to do, I don't know. I still got a few more that got to go out, so I'll be working on getting those out the door. In fact, I need to call and confirm on, call and confirm for the October gun show, so I can get those out there. Oh yeah. And then I got to get all that ammo and reloading gear loaded up, and yeah. The things to do. Sure seems like a lot of it. Anyway, we're supposed to have rain. I don't know if I'm going to get to finish the backyard or not. So, I don't know. I'll try again to finish some of it in the morning before it gets too hot. But at this point, yeah, I ain't going back outside. It's already too hot. I don't know about you, but I really don't like the idea of going outside in the heat if I can avoid it. And with all the humidity blowing in, we actually got a bunch of humidity come in. And yeah, I don't know if I want to try to take and do any mowing in the afternoon in August ever. That's just not my idea of a good time to be trying to do any mowing. We're in Texas Panhandle. Last week it was bouncing 100, 105 all week. And it just barely, got down into the 90s good. I mean, right now, what I'm looking at right now is what the weather says it is. It says it's 91 going to 93. 91 right now. It's supposed to get to 93. And yeah, I don't know. It is what it is. But yeah, the temps here do a bit of swinging and ups and downs, and I'm used to that. You can actually get outside and do things in the morning, but come about 10 o'clock, 11 at the latest, it's too hot to be outside. Good time to find an air conditioner. But yeah, the backyard still, the rest of it needs to get got. Got a bit of it this morning, but didn't get near as much done as I wanted to. And I'm hoping to get out there and get a little bit more done, or maybe all of it if I can, done tomorrow morning. We'll see. Anyway, trying to wrap my head around getting rid of guns. I'm really hating the idea of doing it. My dad would trade a gun in a heartbeat. He'd buy a gun if he had the money. But sell one? Oh my God. And I'm just like him. I hate the idea of selling a gun. I don't know. Anyway, I did get, I think it's 8 of them out there. And I think the value of them is somewhere between $3,000 and $3,500. So, yeah. Don't get me wrong. I got an old, it's not really that old. It's one of the newer, but it's I think it's 97, 99 or something like that. 95, 97. They made for 2 years. And so it's not that old, 25, barely 30 years old. But it was one I kept in my truck when I worked on the farm back in East Texas. I bought it simply to keep it in the truck and have it there in case I wanted to, blast Bambi. And I could pull up, climb up on top of the truck and sit, and, instant deer stand. Just pull up, park, get up on top there, sit, drink a soda pop, or if I was on the property, just drink a beer. And yeah, literally don't have to go nowhere. And I remember catching a few deer with that gun. There's reasons you have them, keep one handy. I did like hunting a lot when I was back in East Texas, and I've done a bit. I miss it. I did some out in South Carolina, Georgia, here in Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana. Done a bit of hunting. Been up in Colorado, and yeah. My dad had me out with him once out in California. After having to deal with California's hunting laws, he decided it wasn't worth hunting in California. He hated California as much as I do, or more probably. But yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, and moving those guns around got me thinking about my dad and hunting and going out and hunting with him. And one of the shotguns that I set out there to was one that I think it was my first deer with a shotgun, that I shot a deer with a shotgun. Yeah. Boy. Kind of tore up on memory lane here. It is what it is. I don't know about you, but I do have a lot of things that have sentimental value to me. And those guns are a bunch of them. A lot of things there that remind me of my dad and doing things with him. I'm in a bit of a retrospective mode here and running back through memories and memory lane and times. Yeah. Anyway, I've got those out there and getting them gone so I can get the money put to good use. I'll put it in my little brokerage account when I get, when they sell, I'll put it in my brokerage account and start earning some money with it, and try to get that, in there to take and continue to grow so I can have something to, extra for when I get to the Philippines. Because I know there's budget busting things that come up on occasion, so it's always good to have a bit of money set back, and that's what this will be part of. Put it in something that'll grow, and as it grows, it makes more money for me to have extra cushion. Because, hey, extra cushions can be a real good thing at times. Of course, it can be a bad thing too. I don't know, but I was out at the grocery store for a few minutes, grabbing a bottle of water, and how can anybody think that having a ass ballooned out on both sides, I mean, literally, hips, I just don't understand that. And I understand that women go out and intentionally, I heard this, they go out and have stuff put in there to make them look like that. And I am like, do they have a brain cell that functions? And who in the world wants something like that in a woman? I just don't get it. I don't know. That was just one of the strange things I ran across today. Yeah, I just don't get that. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm hoping everybody's having a blessed day and that your work week's not too rough on you. This is my Friday nights. I got out and tried to get a few things done. Now I'm trying to wrestle with my heart, because literally part of me wants to run back here, grab all those things and bring them all home. Bring all my guns back here. Feel lost and naked without them. And 99% of the 99% of the time, they spend most of their time locked up in a safe. Yeah. I don't know, I'm crazy. Okay, a lot of it. Anyway. Yeah. It is what it is, and anyway, I got up to 153 subscribers. Thank you very much. Uh, One of the commenters was saying, you don't have to go to the malls to be in crowds. You can just, well, I already go to, I do have a bar I go to with a friend, and it's, of course, now it's not a real big bar. If that place had 20 people in it, it would be crowded. If it had 40 people in it, it would probably need to be, emptied out by the fire marshal. It's a small hole in the wall. But I do go out and deal with that, and I go out and I deal with grocery stores, and yeah, I'm getting better with dealing with people in crowds. I just still don't like it, but I can do it. So now I'm trying to get to where I'm less feeling like I've got a long-tailed cat in a room full of rocking chairs. It is what it is. Guess somebody didn't want to call and talk too long. It rang once and hung up. Probably one of those scam calls that's already blocked. I hope it is. Anyway. I'm William. Williams, Philippines. Y'all have a good day. Blessings. Hope you have a good meal. I've got something thawing out for when I wake up. I'm going to have a T-bone and eggs for breakfast. Midnight snack, whatever you want to call it. I got a few of those because, when you buy a half a cow at a time or a quarter cow at a time, you get a lot of meat. And you get a lot of cuts. That's one of the advantages of buying whole pieces of cow and having a big chest freezer. Anyway. Y'all have a good day. Later, blessings. Bye-bye. I'm William from Williams, Philippines. Thank you again for watching. All 153 subscribers and everyone else that swings by here. Please hit the like button, comment. I try to get back to them. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.